Oh, what do we have here? Cheating girlfriend snaps on officers after getting busted by Body Cam Network USA. What the fuck?
What are we doing?
In your panties.
I'm not going over, bro.
What is going on?
I'm not.
She just won't leave. Does she live here?
Hey, you know how tired you gotta be to slide down the wall slowly like that, bro?
See, somebody was just I ain't want things to turn out bad. She cut herself. Then she gonna say she was gonna call and say it's on me. I got the thing she cut herself with.
No.
Come here.
No, I'm not going over.
Hey, no. Hey.
Leave me alone. I'm not going over.
Damn. I remember having a one-bedroom apartment. I do not miss them days.
Can she actually put the
Damn, she got marks on her hand. What the? She been fighting them?
I'm saying, like,
Yeah, well,
off me, bro. I'm not going nowhere.
Stop.
Can we please put some clothes on her? She look good, but can we put clothes on her?
Stop.
Oh. She just kicked the TV? Damn, my boy ain't gonna be able to bring somebody else over here for Netflix and chill now.
No, because you got me fucked up, bro.
Got it.
Dang.
Tell my shit, bro. That's it.
Ooh. How you gonna break my TV and I'm the one that caught you cheating? What the fuck?
They'll take her just like this.
In your panties. In your goddamn panties. Y'all remember that video? Oh, and she assaulted him.
I don't care.
Hold on. What she just did? She kicked him. Hold on, we gotta watch that. Oh yeah, she kicked the shit out of him.
Stop.
I don't care. That shit is weird.
That boy said,
I didn't even say that.
Damn, I know that had to hurt.
Hey, we're gonna take her down to the car. We'll be right back.
Yeah, he need to collect himself.
You want to see my thing?
Go.
She is volatile. God, dog. Well, they ain't gotta search her.
You do it. Here, let me go with it.
I remember when Champion used to be like $8, $9 at Walmart. Now it's like 70. Ain't that shit crazy? And NBA, all these brands.
What about that? If he's in custody.
Everyone in custody.
What do you have to say for yourself? In your panties, in your bonnet. It's a nice place. Look at yourself in the mirror. Look, just look.
I'll get some heat on. What's your first name? What's your first name?
She not finna get that shit.
What?
She about to have a whole meltdown.
How do you spell it?
Lamarriex.
Lama. Why are we? What's going on?
Because he saw something in my phone,
Okay.
and I tried to explain to him, but he kept getting frustrated, mad, throwing me around, so I hit him. Because he kept throwing me, kept pushing on me for no reason. I was just trying to show him, he said, I don't want to listen to him, I don't give a fuck. So when he kept pushing on me, I kept hitting him back for it. And he kept getting angry. He was like, okay, I'm going to call the police, because I told him what he did to me, I was going to call the police about it. And they came before me because the neighbors called the police on him. And she kept asking me, did he put his hands on me? And I said no. Just
Did you try and take his phone from him when he was calling 911?
I did.
was like, I'll talk to him. Good morning.
Everyone in custody?
I'm grabbing all my things.
All right, man. Tell me what's going on tonight.
It started when
You want to talk out in here or out here?
I'll talk out here.
All right. So tell me what's going on with her.
So man, they went out. They was drinking, man. And so yeah, she went down there because you know he ain't had no ride home. It was weird. So I seen something on her phone. I told her like I don't want to be there no more. You know what I mean? And she was getting loud. It was officers here first because you know.
So we've already been out here once.
Yeah, because the argument. So
Okay.
they come. They asked us. I told them like it's an argument. At first I didn't think it was really a big deal. Then I get back in the crib, man. We coolin'. And I just told her like, just don't come. You know, I don't want to come. You know, I'm trying to go to sleep. You know what I mean? And so she get to saying she go call him back and say I did all that. You
Oh,
know,
God.
You know,
Yeah, they'll never let her back in your life ever again.
that on my record, like.
Yep.
Cause I got things I'm working towards right now. And so I was like, I'm gonna just call him. And just, you can go home. I don't want to go to jail tonight. I just want
So who is she to you?
That's my girlfriend.
Okay.
Thanks now.
How long you guys been
I was about to say, you better put an X on the end of that.
together?
Really not even that long. Like a month now.
Okay. Does she stay here with
A
you?
month?
Live here?
Mm-mm.
Where does she live at?
She live, it's on my phone. So she'll tell you down there though. She
Okay.
live-
Do you have ID, man? I have to get your information.
I'm sorry, I do not have any.
Okay, that's fine. We can write it down this way.
Thank you.
So you guys are out drinking, came back here. What did this whole dispute,
How the hell you out drinking and you ain't got your ID though?
like, what was it over?
I wasn't drinking at all.
Well, she was? Yeah. So you guys, you said you guys were out, she was drinking. Ended up coming back here because you didn't have a ride, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what, I'll just get on the first time because you're arguing. What are you guys arguing over?
Because the text messages, and I was like, I don't want to be together.
Another girl or?
No, she was texting on the man, and I was like,
Oh, she was texting someone else.
yeah, and I was
Gotcha.
like, I just don't want to be with her no more.
Okay. And you were basically calling her out, whatever, spout. They came out, dealt with it. What did they tell you?
See, I wasn't going back and
Yeah.
forth.
What did they tell you though? The other officers.
They was like, they just asked what was going on. I just told them it was a minor, argument. or
Okay.
something.
So what escalated it to this now? Because you called us.
Yeah, like what? Why is we watching the goddamn video?
So what was going on now?
Because when I was in the room laying down, officer, I was on my phone, and I was going to go to sleep. She said, come cuddle with me. And I don't want to do that after that big argument in the police, you know what I mean? That's not me. So then she got to get out on me, and she was like, you know what, I'm finna call him and say you did that, and you cut me and all that. I'm like, no, I'm not finna play that crazy game.
Have you guys ever been in this type of situation? I have, and it is not a good feeling.
You can see she already crazy as it is. And I'm like, I don't even want to escalate it like that.
But that's some of the best G you ever had in your life.
I'm call. And while I'm on the phone trying to call her, she hanging up and stuff like that. That's why I had to call me back like 2 more times.
So when you called us, was she trying to take the phone away from you? Okay. So you're trying actually. Did you call 911?
And as you can see, as I'm coming out.
Did you call 911?
Yeah.
And so as you're talking 911 dispatch, she's trying to rip the phone away from you.
Yeah.
Okay. And then she kicked you coming out here. Did she hit you any other times or
And
just
she hit the fuck out of
anything
him.
else? Yeah.
No.
Okay. Do you want to do anything about her kicking you?
I don't want to press no charges off. I just want
Nothing with the TV either. She busted your TV in there. You want no charges though.
no charges, officer.
Okay.
I would have been like, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I probably would have trespassed her. She can't ever come back over here because why the fuck would you kick my TV like that? He don't want to press no charges because he about to be the one that's gonna bail her out and she gonna get the beating on his ass again.
So, okay, man. You have any other questions for me?
Hell
I'll
no.
grab her shirt, pants, whatever you need. I'll take her phone. Mind if I step in with you? All right. That's what I'm grabbing is whatever clothes she has. Thank you.
He threw it like, here, take your shit.
You don't want to be a victim to anything. Hey, that's yours. Boyfriend, girlfriend, about a month. She doesn't live with him.
He doesn't want to be a victim for getting kicked in the face.
Nope, not for the TV, not for being kicked in the face. She was herself earlier tonight, and I think yesterday said, "Yep, that's all we got."
That shit crazy.
I don't have her name or anything yet. Do you? Okay. What's your first name? If I bring your clothes on and you play nice, I'll let you put your clothes on. Yeah? Well, you'd rather not be in your underwear in the back of the car. Go and stand up for me. Alright. I'm going to slide those on.
Could have been charged with a lot more, but the boyfriend decided not.
3, 2, 1.
She was then taken to the Polk County Jail where she was booked and charged with interference with official acts. She could have been charged with a lot more, but the boyfriend decided not to press charges. If you enjoy the content we...
That's because he about to bail out and they gonna be back at it again. He ain't learned this lesson yet. Been there, done that. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Out.